Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Weihang. Today we'll be practicing 6 initials and this is the last lesson of all the Pinyin lessons. So let's get started. The first one, R. To produce this sound, first you need to roll up your tongue. And then let the tip of your tongue touch the hard palate. And then just let the air come through your mouth and don't forget to vibrate your vocal cords as well. So it sounds like R. You can find this sound in many different languages around the world, like R in English or R, the R in Russian. Now let's give it a try. R, 人. Did you get that? The second, Z. To pronounce this sound, just try to think of the English word like words, needs. They're almost the same. And don't forget to open your mouth widely when pronouncing this sound. Z. Now let's give it a try. 足 Z. Did you get that? The third one today. C. C. This sound, you can find the same or like the equivalent in English word cats. So it's an aspirative version of Z. Now let's give it a try. 词 菜. Did you get that? The next one, S. S is also an aspirated version of Z, but it's more smooth than C. You can find the same equivalent in English word like mouse. They're almost the same. Now let's give it a try. 岁 3. Did you get that? Here's a tip. I recommend you to memorize them Z, C, S as a group because we almost use the same position to produce the 3 initials. So it sounds like Z, C, S. That's it. The next one, E. Yes, it sounds exactly the same as E, the final that we learned before. The reason why we have to create a new letter E here is because in Pinyin rules, it says we have to use an initial at the beginning of Pinyin, but that E is a final. So we have to create a new sound or new letter, but it has exactly the same sound to replace E. That's the rule. Okay, now let's give it a try. Yeah. E. Did you get that? The last one today. U. It is a conversion of the final U. To produce this sound, you need to round your lips as if you are whistling. U. Now let's give it a try. 我 五 Did you get that? Congrats! We've already finished all of the Pinyin so far. How did you find it? I would say this is a really great job as you already finished the first step to learning this language from scratch. Now let's have a quick review of what we've learned and let's get started with the initials. Now let's give it a try. B, P, M, F, D, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Q, X, Z, Ch, Sh, R, Z, C, S, I, U. That's it. The finals. A, O, E, I, U, Ü, I, A, V, Ao, O, U, Ye, Yue, Er, An, En, Yin, Wen, Yun, Ang, Ying, Ong. That's all. Okay, thanks for watching today. And because we already finished all the pinyins, and the next time I'm gonna upload some new types of videos. So if you have any new idea or what kind of the things you expect me to film, please just feel free to tell me, leave the comment below, and I'd really appreciate that. Okay, thank you for watching today. I will see you maybe in 2 weeks. That's all. Thank you. Bye.